how you can turn on your backlight on your keyboard. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now before we start, I'm gonna let you know that not all laptops have a backlight keyboard in them. So if you don't have one, don't get disappointed. You can always buy an external keyboard that has backlight on them. So yeah, now let's begin. So if you have a backlight keyboard, what you'll need to do to turn it on is that you will see all of the function keys right on the top right here. Now here you can see the F5 button. Now you can press on the F5 button and you can turn it off, and just press on it again to turn it on. Now that is basically how you turn on the backlight, guys. Now if pressing F5 does not work, you'll need to tap on the function key, this one Fn, and press it together with the F5. So after doing that, you will be able to turn it on and off. Also, you can check if there are other modes. Now you can see if I pressed it once, the light gets dimmed. If I press it again, it gets off. Now press it again and it gets turned on. So yeah, that is basically how you turn on backlight on your laptop. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.